All right, welcome to day 3's Kahoot review. Go ahead and watch the video and choose your best answers. All right, multi-select. There's going to be 2 correct answers for this one. What is the correct syntax for creating an empty list in Python? Is it mylist equals curly braces, mylist equals square brackets, mylist equals list parentheses, mylist equals none? Alrighty, let's talk about these. Mylist equals squiggly brackets, curly braces, that is going to create an empty dictionary. Square brackets create an empty list. Calling the list constructor with list parentheses, that's going to also give you an empty list. If I create a list with none in it, that actually is a type in Python, so that is actually a single element in a list. So it does create a list, but it's not empty. It actually has an item in there called none. All right, question number 2. Which of the following is used to create a new list by applying an expression to each element of an existing list? Is that considered slicing, indexing, unpacking, or list comprehensions? Again, we're creating a new list by applying an expression to each element of an existing list. That is the definition of list comprehension. Remember, we have the square brackets, we have the expression for a variable name in the item that we can iterate over, and then we have the optional if clause where we're going to run an if statement and do some kind of condition. That's how we do list comprehensions. Number 3, which of the following is an immutable data structure in Python? Is that list, tuple, dictionary, or set? Which one cannot be changed once it's created? All right, tuple is the one data structure that once you define it, you cannot modify it. Now, we've talked a lot about lists and we talked a lot about dictionaries. We didn't really talk too much about the set data structure, but it is definitely changeable as well. So you can add and append to sets. Question number 4. What is the purpose of tuple unpacking in Python? Is it to access individual elements of a tuple using their index, modifying elements of a tuple, create a new tuple by combining multiple tuples, or is it assign elements of a tuple to multiple variables? That's what it is. We use tuple unpacking. So we take the elements out of the tuple and push them to the multiple variables that we want to store them in. Question number 5. Which of the following list methods is used to add an element at the end of the list? Is that append, extend, insert, or remove? We want to add an element at the end of a list. And that's going to be our append method, right? So we're going to append items, and their order does matter, so it puts it at the end of a list. Question number 6. In Python, dictionaries are denoted by which type of brackets? Are they denoted by parentheses, curly braces, square brackets, or angle brackets? How do we define dictionaries? All right, curly braces, how we define dictionaries. Parentheses is how we define tuples, and square brackets is how we define lists. Question number 7. What is the purpose of slicing in Python? access individual elements in a list, modifying elements in a list, creating a new list by extracting a portion of an existing list, or sorting elements in the list. All right, slicing lets us take some portion of an existing list and make it into a new list by using slicing. So that is the correct answer. Question number 8. In Python, list indexes start from 0, 1, -1, or any positive integer. List indexes always start from which number? All right, we are zero-based. Python is zero-based language, so we start at index of 0. Which dictionary method is used to retrieve all the keys value pairs in a dictionary? So I'm getting both the key and value pair. Is that the keys, the values, items, or get? I want to get key value pairs. Which method do I call? We call the items method. This gives us back the key value pairs out of that dictionary. Question number 10. Which dictionary method is used to remove a key value pair from a dictionary? Is that the pop, remove, del, or discard? How do I remove a key value paired item? We use the del keyword. And that's a reserved keyword in Python. All right, last question, the fun one here. Learning about data structures rocks. Is that true or false? We don't even need all the time to answer that. We'll just go ahead and answer that right now. That is a true statement. I hope you had fun. Hope you learned something. Hope you did well on this quiz. If not, you can always go back and rewatch the videos. And I will see you tomorrow for night number 4, where we're going to be covering functions and modules. So looking forward to that. See you tomorrow.